The Interconnections Between Agriculture, Hvac Systems, and Nuclear Power by Matthew G., Anthony B., and Jaden J.
Hi, my name is Jaden Johnson. I'm in the 11th grade, and I chose agriculture as my focus topic because I want to find new and innovative ways to most efficiently get as much as we can out of the environment while also as sustainably as possible.
Hi, my name is Anthony Baccavidense. I am in the 11th grade. My interest in this topic is in how to remove negative connotation associated with nuclear power using technology to help increase the safety precautions and to help citizens understand how safe it actually is.
A few ways that CAD is currently being used is one for computational fluid dynamics, where basically it's where computers are able to model airflow problems like ventilation issues and things like that on different systems. So being able to better provide solutions. Along with that, also being able to integrate simulation tools for real-life analysis of heat distribution, energy consumption, and system performance in different buildings. Differing from that a little bit, CAD is currently being used to design systems where nuclear reactors provide energy for desalination plants that produce fresh water. And finally, we have where CAD is being used to seamlessly integrate with building information modeling platforms that give a very thorough view of how HVAC systems interact with architecture, structure, and other systems like mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. A few future integrations of CAD in conjunction with agriculture, HVAC, and nuclear power would be the uses of CAD in designing automated farms, where HVAC would be controlled by smart systems, which would use sensors to detect different environmental factors and be able to, in real time, change things like the heating, the ventilation, just the climate control, all things of that nature. And those systems would be powered through nuclear energy. And obviously, plants need water, so CAD could also be design water management systems that would use nuclear desalinations to make it so that it's very sustainable and efficient so that you could keep using the same water over and over again. And also with automatic irrigators. And finally, CAD would also work to help design vertical farms that would use nuclear waste heat to control climate, allowing production of more produce in non-traditional areas. Yeah.
Future integrations of CAD and chemical engineering, digital twins, and real-time monitoring. Using CAD, virtual replicas will be made of actual power plants and their systems, which can be used to monitor said systems in real time. This will be done with the help of IoT sensors. This will improve safety through performance tracking, predictive maintenance, and troubleshooting. Click the blue link for more information. 3D and 4D modeling. CAD will be able to create more sophisticated 3D designs as well as 4D designs. These models will provide us a simpler visual of the chemical process, which allows for better understanding of changes over time and improving the planning process. 4D modeling will allow for all people involved in the process to understand what is going on and what will happen when. For more information, click the link. Improved safety features. Future CAD will have greater safety features such as automated haze detection and risk assessment tools. What this will do is make it safer to work in the nuclear power plant because thanks to CAD and other tools, you will know how stable the plant is at all times. Click the following link for more information.